Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and compare before and after in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started loading our photos, either from our camera roll or from our photo gallery. And once you do so, we can go ahead and open them up and start editing. So this is going to be the editing menu. From where, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, we can go and select what kind of editing we want to do. We have the skin, the hairstyles, and so on. So let's go and select the hairstyle option right here. So you can see we can go ahead and try any of the hairstyles we have right here. So as you can see, once you go and select your hairstyle, you can go and see how it looks or whatever effect you might be doing. So let's go and take a look at how to compare before and after. So all you need to do to compare before and after is just press and hold your finger down anywhere on the image while in the editing screen. As you can see, I have an edit done right here. Do you see the before? I'm just going to long press the photo anywhere, hold the screen, and it's going to show me the before and after once I let my finger go. And this is how to go and switch between before and after and see what the results are and what the differences are in FaceApp. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.